Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to turn off dial pad tones in this device. So, if you're not the biggest fan of the dial pad tones, let me open the dialer and enter the numbers. If you're not the biggest fan of it, all you have to do is tap on this 3 bars icon in the left lower corner and tap on the settings. Now we have to tap on advanced settings right here, and as you can see at the top we've got dial pad touch tones. Let's tap on it. You can either change the tones from the default to piano keys, totally up to you, or turn them off completely just by tapping on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that you cannot hear the dial pad tones. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.